everyone, welcome back to My Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll share some quick and easy steps on how to get Clash Royale emotes. So let's get started. Check the shop daily. Head to the in-game shop and scroll to the emote section. Every day, Clash Royale offers 3 different emotes for 250 gems each. These rotate daily, so keep checking back for the ones that you like. Look out for special offers. During events or holidays, the game often sells exclusive emotes in bundles. These might come with gems, golds, or chests, so watch the shop for limited time deals. Progress on Trophy Road. Tap on the current arena that you are on. Here you can see some emotes are unlocked for free by reaching certain trophy milestones. Just keep winning battles and climb the ladder to earn them. Participate in challenges and events. Clash Royale sometimes offer exclusive emotes as rewards for completing challenges. So be sure to join limited time events when they pop up. And that's how you can get Clash Royale emotes.